This 2025, if you are searching for a budget film camera or cinema camera, this vlog is for you guys. Hello guys, so it's me, Rapi Sam Steel, and today's vlog we will do a side-by-side comparison between two best APS-C budget cinema camera for film. And if you want to start your filming career, if you want a low budget, check these two brand guys from, or check these two camera from Fujifilm and Sony. Again, we'll do a side-by-side specs comparison between Fujifilm X-H2S over the Sony FX30. Let's see which camera is the best for you. So guys, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, if you like photography, if you like this kind of content, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video tutorial, and comparison. So without further ado guys, let's start. But again, before we start comparison, let's jump into the announced date and the price as of today on this both camera. So again, the FX30 announced last September 28 of 2022 with a body price of $1,800 without the top handle, just only the body, guys. While the Fujifilm X-H2S announced last May 31, 2022 with a body price of $2,500. So again, guys, I forgot to mention this vlog, I will give you 10 solid reasons why we will choose the Fujifilm X-H2S over the Sony FX30. So guys, let's jump into the reason first why we're gonna take the Sony FX30 over the Fujifilm X-H2S. So first, you have more cheaper body because you know it's 1,800 over 2,500. It's like 600 cheaper. You have already gyroscopic stabilization. You have on-body mounting points. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5. 3.5 jack, 3.5 screws to put, or quarter. Yeah, not quarter. 3/4. Okay. Second, you have option to buy the top handle with the XLR input. So again, there's a two option: body without the XLR input, or body plus the XLR top handle with the XLR. So you have two options to buy or to purchase. Second, you have lens breathing correction. You have more better maximum native ISO, which is 32,000 compared for 12,800. You have more focusing points, which is 759 over 425. You have better LCD resolution because it's 2.360K dots compared for 1.620K dots. It's more lighter because it's only 646 grams compared for 660 grams. And you have NFC connection. So that is the reason why you will choose the Sony FX30 over the Fujifilm X-H2S. So let's jump into the reason, guys, why we will choose the Fujifilm X-H2S over the Sony FX30 in 2025. First, you have number one, you have already external cooling fan. So you can purchase separate cooling fan and attach here at the next of the LCD. So it'd be for longer period of recording. So to avoid overheating. So you have external cooling fan. So reason number one, you can buy it separately. Reason number two, you have already stock sensor, new sensor called stock sensor. Yan. Number three, you have zero blackout viewfinder. Number four, you have open gate video recording. This is flexibility to change your aspect ratio after you shoot your video or film. For example, if you shoot 3:2, then it's open gate. You can change your aspect ratio to 9:16, 16:9, or it's up to you, or 1:1, without losing the quality. Okay, next, you have electronic viewfinder. So that's the number 5. Again, number 5, you have electronic viewfinder. Compare for FX30, you have only the LCD. You don't have electronic viewfinder. Number 6, you have faster in burst mode or in continuous shooting burst mode because it's 40 frames per second compared for 1 frames. I don't know why there's a 1 frames, but 40 frames per second. So it's very fast. So it's also useful for photography and wildlife. Again, number 7, you have maximum video bit rate of 720 megabytes per seconds compared for 600 megabytes per seconds of the Sony FX30. But again, you need the highest CF Express Type B memory card on both camera, guys. Again, number 8, you have a top LCD. For me, guys, top LCD is very useful, especially if you have a fully articulated screen. Then you can change your settings from the top LCD screen that you don't need to look at your screen or viewfinder. And it's also very useful, the top LCD screen, which is this one. Okay, you have top LCD screen. And number 9, you have vehicle tracking. Yan, you have already vehicle tracking on the Fujifilm X-H2S. And the last, again, the film simulation. Again, guys, if you are lazy to color grade your video and photo, if you want a color film color style from your photo and video, you can use it from the Fujifilm X-H2S. And voila, it's like it's a JPEG, like it's a process, and you don't need to color grade again. So if you don't have time to color grade your photo and video, the film simulation is amazing, guys. So yeah, that is the 10 solid reason why you will choose the Fujifilm X-H2S over the Sony FX30. But again, I forgot to mention also the Sony. One of also reason why you will choose Sony is the variety of lenses. You have a bunch of lenses to choose in the market. You have from Sigma, Tamron, Samyang, Tokina, what else? Yun. So there's a lot. Cinema lenses, if you want to purchase a cinema lenses, there's a lot for Sony cameras. So Sony FX30. So that is the reason why you will choose also the FX30 over the Fujifilm X-H2S. And yan. Again, guys, these two camera share some similarity. Both they have unlimited video recording, wireless and Bluetooth connection, censorship image stabilization, fully articulated touchscreen, face detection focus, maximum resolution. They're both 26 megapixel per photo, weather sealed, time-lapse recording, AI bracketing. They're both full-size HDMI port, 2 storage slot, UHS-2 CF Express Type A for Sony and Type B for Fujifilm. Smartphone remote, webcam function, anti-flicker, eye tracking focus, and both camera have no built-in pop-up flash. So that is the similarity and similarity for these two cameras. So again, guys, I give you already 10 solid reasons why you will choose the Fujifilm X-H2S. But again, I'll leave it to you. What do you think? If you are Sony, if you love the video quality of the Sony, then go for Sony. If you like the film simulation or color of Fuji, then go for Fuji. And again, guys, both camera is an APS-C camera, APS-C or crop sensor camera. So again, guys, just leave a comment down below. What do you think the best camera for you? Either the FX30 or the Fujifilm X-H2S. But for me, I like both these two camera, guys. So sorry, I love Fujifilm and also the Sony cameras. Actually, we are filming for the Sony FX3 camera. So yeah, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of both camera, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. Again, guys, we want to check the Sony cameras, lenses, Fuji camera lenses, come visit us here in Megastore Showroom. We have a demo unit for Sony. Check here, guys. Again, hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.